Actually, there's a really good question. I'm kind of on the edge of my seat about it too. Ajit in the webinar chat has a really good question about accountability. If you can't see it, I'll read it, but you hopefully should see it.
Okay, it's a very good question, Ajit. Actually, that is one of the most challenging area of the agent, which is the authority, right? Is the authority. That is actually anywhere that there is a responsibility, right? Let's say it's a insurance claim, right? If I automate that, at the end of the day, somebody claiming that insurance, even if the agent does that, you're correct. Because of that, the ones that involve any form of accountability, there should be a human at the end to approve it. So no matter how many steps in automation an agent goes, if there is an accountable, even in a trading, a stock trading, right, in your account, you're going to be the one at the end most of the time, which you need to confirm that although the bot finds the opportunity, is right before the execution, a human needs to approve that. So basically, there is another layer as called human task, right? If there is a liability behind that, there is a human confirmation needed. Very good question. Thank you.